Well, we just rolled into camp, and we got an hour until dark, so Jaylyn and I are going to go out and see if we can't get eyes on something or just check out a road. We got to the Airbnb, unpacked quick, and just kind of threw everything in there and hit the mountain. We're here all week into next weekend. It's December the 15th, so see if we can't find something. We're going to check out this piece of walk-in section that you have to get permission on, and Jaylyn actually got permission from him today. The daughter said she's given out permission to a couple people, and Jaylyn was the last one, so see if we can find some elk. We know there's elk on it. Dylan's seen them last week. Dylan's wife shot that bull right there last year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right there in that thick stuff.
Down in there.
Yeah, right in that real nasty thicket. With it being late December, a lot of these elk are actually in their winter feed grounds. We've heard there's some elk up here on this big mesa that Dylan seen last week, so we're gonna go see if we can't find some and make a game plan maybe for the rest of the week. Day 2 here in Wyoming. We just did a bunch of driving around and glassing again this morning. That first herd that we stopped at basically got blown out of the country from a local
Little too gung-ho.
Yeah, a little too gung-ho hunter. There's about 400 or 500 head on that mesa that we were just going to watch. We knew they were there. Dylan gave us some intel from a few days ago. She blew them out on her side-by-side, ran right at him. The whole herd went over the hill, and we had to start back from square one. We came to a new spot, a new road that we didn't hit yesterday, and I glassed up a bunch of elk a long way away, and then ended up finding some a lot closer, and they're right off of this walk-in access piece. So we got two options. We're either going to walk in this walk-in access and see what they do, or we got permission from the landowner on the adjacent piece that they are actually bedded on. So we're waiting for Dylan to get here. He has a cow tag, Jaylyn has a bull tag, and we might double up if we can. It looks like a little 3x4 or a 4x4 raghorn, some spikes, and a few cows, but they're probably 1,000 yards from us. It's just a waiting game. Snow squalls moved in, prohibited the greatest visibility, but it's kind of a good thing they can't see us. We know where they're at. Keep an eye on them and make an afternoon game plan. For those of you that don't know, this is Jaylyn's first elk hunt. And Joe, this is what, your first elk hunt technically, huh?
Technically.
First time out west?
No.
No?
First time in Wyoming.
Yeah, Wyoming.
I'd rather see Jaylyn get an elk anyway than me.
Few bedded. A couple of the bulls are bedded. No, well, 3 spikes and the bulls bedded. Cows are up feeding.
lock the truck? Lights are still on.
Yeah, I'm good. I like your Butler treat.
Oh yeah.
It's quality scope cover.
Quality. This is what happens when you don't have one.
And it's snowing.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta make this mile trek across the flat. We got the wind in our face. It's snowing. Visibility is poor, but we know where they're bedded, so it's a positive. As we get closer, we'll make a game plan if we want to go on the side or go above them.
Okay, so if we come over the hill and they over there and somehow they see us and we're getting set up, if they decide to run, we can always stop them with a cow call. But you'll probably have about 10 seconds if I use the cow call. So just keep that in mind.
Okay.
But otherwise, they rely on their nose. And if they see like a lot of movement and hear a lot, but they're pretty blind for the most part, so I say we just have one person, once we're almost to the top, one person needs to kind of sneak over and see if they can get eyes on him. Yeah.
Okay. I would say to have your gun pre-loaded without one in the chamber.
I'll do that now.
Yeah.
And you're shooter one. You're most important. I am only shooting a cow if you
They stand
shoot
there.
and there's a cow.
Standing there.
Yeah. I mean, unless we can both get set up and she shoots and then I shoot or something. But I'll wait for you guys to get over there a little bit and I'll get set up and then wait for you her to shoot and then I'll shoot one.
Okay. He's at like 70 yards.
Yeah.
If you can, I mean, you might have to freehand it.
Where'd he go? The one up front.
Wait. You got him, Jaylyn. You got him. He's down.
Oh.
Get the cow.
Because they were literally, I didn't see them until I
You
shot.
dumped him.
Good job.
He's right there.
Well, probably easiest to get over here and down. Let's go check
He
him
was
out.
facing left.
That couldn't have worked out more perfect.
Probably take him out one trip.
That couldn't have worked out any better.
That was literally, I think he was closer than that one. I bet he was probably 70. Let's go right through the timber. Oh yeah. Sweet bowl.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy cow.
He's got a big body on him. I'll say that.
What do you think?
That's pretty cool. I'm so shaking.
Her first elk.
Yeah. He's so close.
I know.
So close.
That's how close I shot it with my bow.
Yeah.
It's all right. I'd rather him be that close than be 500. Pick his head up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
This is cool. Yeah, we got picking up the dead tree.
Wow, that's cool.
That's a good first bowl.
Oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Great first bowl.
Yeah.
What is it? 1, 2, 3. It was broke for his 4. 2, 3, 4. 4x4.
It's the next day here, and we were just cleaning up some of Jaylyn's bull here on the front porch, and Jaylyn ended up finding her bullet. It's a 160 grain Nosler partition, Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation edition. This was her second shot, I believe. So let me see what it looks like.
I don't know how to get it out.
Yeah, look at that. Perfect mushroom. What do you think?
That's pretty cool.
Did its job though, apparently.
Yeah, it did.